Hello students, this is Professor Dr. Moina Akhtar Mughal and I am a professor in Dr. Amikazi Institute of Chemistry, University of St. Jamshoro. So today I'm going to start again with your classification test as I was just discussing with you in my last video. I have done the first test, that is to identify the aldehydes, right? We were just confirming the presence of aldehydes by using 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, and then I gave you a brief idea about the second test, right? So now we'll discuss about, you can say this is the Tollens reagent. Now Tollens reagent is an oxidizing reagent. Keep this thing in your mind, and it should always be freshly prepared when you are performing any test using Tollens reagent, right? So there's a particular method to prepare first Tollens reagent. So go through that method. It is very simple. Only you are going to add 2 to 3 things together, or I can explain you in my next video how you're going to use this how you're going to prepare the Tollens reagent. It is simply called ammonical silver nitrate, right? And it is not only a silver nitrate alone. It is the combination of both silver nitrate and ammonium hydroxide. They are both mixed together and they combine to form a diamine called AgNH3-2. Now what is 2? 2 is the coordination number of the silver. So what could be the aim of this test? Now every test has got the aim, a particular reason to perform, right? The aim of this test is to confirm the presence of aldehydes, whereas ketones do not give this test positive, right? Tollens reagent is always, as I told you, be freshly prepared. You must prepare it properly in the lab or get it prepared. This test is also called silver mirror test, right? What this test is simply, you will simply take 4 to 5 drops of this ammonium hydroxide, and you will add 5 drops of silver nitrate and a very small amount of your simple organic compound, the compound you are going to identify. You will heat it over, you can say, in a beaker containing some water, or you can heat it directly on the flame for about 5 minutes. Now and you will keep it aside for a few minutes and let it cool. You will simply see at the outer side of this test tube, it has a silverish covering, or you can say a silverish cover is there. A silver layer is formed at the inside of the test tube, and that is called a silver mirror, right? Which confirms the presence of an aldehyde in your organic compound. Now what is the reason that ketones do not give this test positive, whereas aldehydes can give this test positive? So you can simply say that these two, aldehyde and ketones, they can be distinguished from one another through this test, that is Tollens reagent test. You can simply say that one will give you a positive result, whereas the other one won't. Now why is it so that ketones do not give, whereas aldehydes give a positive test? Because there is a reason. There is always a reason behind every test, you can say. The first and the basic reason is that aldehydes can be oxidized easily to carboxylic acids, right? Whereas ketones do not. They cannot be oxidized. So this could be one of the very basic reasons why aldehyde give this positive test, whereas ketones do not. I hope you got my point and you have enjoyed this video. So please follow me on my next video. Thank you very much.